Let us consider accounting equation through another example. Now students, the first transaction here is started business with cash rupees 5 lakh and building worth rupees 15 lakhs. That means the owner is bringing in cash and building. Both of these are assets, so under asset column we will create a sub column for cash and another column for building. He is bringing in cash worth rupees 5 lakh and building worth rupees 15 lakhs. That means in total the owner is bringing in a capital of rupees 20 lakh rupees. Now both the sides are equal and the total is 20 lakh rupees at each end. Coming to the second transaction, purchased goods on credit. Now the owner has purchased goods and that too on credit. Now since he has purchased goods, that means the business will now have some stock on hand. This 20,000 rupees worth of stock we have purchased. So it is an asset. We will create a sub column of stock under the category of assets and add 20,000 rupees. Now they have been purchased on credit. That means the amount is still payable. Since the amount is payable, it becomes a liability and would be categorized under the heading of creditors. Since we have to pay money and the individuals to whom we have to pay money are called as creditors, so we will create creditors heading under the liability column. And the amount that will appear is 20,000 rupees. Just to remind again, we have purchased stock worth rupees 20,000. That means our assets under the category of stocks will increase by 20,000 and there will be a corresponding increase in the liabilities for rupees 20,000. Totaling both the sides, we can check that the total is same. We have cash of rupees 5 lakh, building worth rupees 15 lakhs, stock worth rupees 20,000, capital of rupees 20 lakhs and creditors of rupees 20,000. So the total on both the sides is 20 lakh 20,000. Now students, coming to the third transaction, paid to creditor in full settlement. Now that means what? Till now we were dealing with payment made on account. What does an account mean? Account means that the remaining balance, if there is any, would be paid on a later date. But now students, this is exactly opposite. Full settlement. Full settlement means that this is the final payment that this creditor is making. And after this, if any amount is left, would have to be considered as discount. Now, in light of the above transaction, we can see that the creditor had to pay us rupees 20,000. Now he is making a payment in full settlement of 19,000. That means we have received a discount of rupees 1,000. 20,000 was payable and we have paid 19,000. So 1,000 rupees worth of discount we have received. So let us see how this would appear. Since the payment has been made, of rupees 19,000, cash would be deducted to the tune of 19,000. Now students, since this is full settlement, that means what? The creditor's liability would be extinguished by complete amount. That means full 20,000 rupees would be written off of his account. And what about the balance 1,000? The balance 1,000 we have received as discount. It is our income, so should be credited to or added to the capital. So now our total transaction or new equation becomes cash of rupees 4 lakh 81,000, building of rupees 15 lakh, stock worth rupees 20,000, capital of 20 lakh and 1,000 and no creditors at all. Coming to last transaction students, depreciation on building. Now what does depreciation means? Depreciation means reduction in the value of assets because of its usage. We have used this building over a period of a number of years, so consequently there is wear and tear and everything. So there is a decline of rupees 20,000 on account of that usage. So now this is an expense. Because of regular usage, we can call it as an expense. Since it is an expense, it should be deducted out of capital. The second aspect is that the value of the building is reduced by 20,000 rupees. Now let us check and see what our new equation comes. Cash of 4,81,000. Building is of 14,80,000. Stock is worth rupees 20,000. The capital has a balance of 19,81,000 and no creditors at all. And it can be verified that the total on both the sides is same.